morning, students. In last class, I discussed about human male reproductive system and different parts of the male reproductive system and what is their important function, and also I discussed about some important reproductive glands. Now, we are going to discuss about another small concept, that is the structure of the male gamete. So, as we know that during the copulation or sexual intercourse process, so the penis is the external depositing organ. So, during the process of sexual intercourse, the penis is going to be ejaculate or release or adding or depositing the male gametes into the female body through the vagina. So, during the process of sexual intercourse, so these sperm cells which are released, they are motile in nature, means they can move, they can swim in the in semen which is deposited in the female body. So, if you observe the structure of this semen, the sperm cell, so what are the parts are present? How the different parts are helpful in the sperm cell and what is their useful? So, structure of this sperm cell. So, everybody, as we have seen that the tadpole of frog, as we know that the tadpole of frog which is looking like fish. So, in the same manner, if you take the sperm cells also, they are very similar to the tadpole in structure. So, which consisting of head region. This is head region, and this head region consisting of nucleus. Head region is consisting of nucleus, and the tip of the head consisting of one more important, very important organelle, that is called as acrosome. The important part is called as acrosome, and this acrosome is very essential during the process of sexual intercourse. What is the importance of acrosome is it helps in degrading of ovum membrane to release that nucleus of the sperm cell. So, for the degradation of the ovum cell membrane, for that purpose, acrosome is playing a key role by the releasing of some of the hydrolyzing enzymes that causes the destruction or damaging the membrane of the ovum and allows to deposition of the nucleus into the ovum. So, for the purpose of deposition of the nucleus of male gamete, the acrosome which surrounds the head tip, that is playing a key role in degradation of the ovum membrane. This is what head part. And next, it consisting of another important region is neck region. So, this neck region consisting of one important organelle, that is called as mitochondria. So, the mitochondria is present, it is like a ribbon-like shape. Ribbon shaped in structure, mitochondria is present. So, this mitochondria is playing a key role in the production of energy for the motility of the sperm cell. So, neck region. This is the neck region of the sperm cell, and it's consisting of mitochondria, and which is essential for the production of, as we know that the mitochondria is powerhouse of the cell, as we have learned. So, during the process of the motility for the movement or locomotion of the sperm cell, it required energy. This energy is required for this sperm cell movement is synthesized or produced by the mitochondria, which is present in the neck region. And another important part is tail region. Tail region helps in the swimming of the sperm cell, which helps in directing to reach the fallopian tube in the female body where the ovum is present. they are reaching the sperm cell near to the ovum. So this acrose will start degrading the ovum membrane and allows deposition of the nucleus into the female gamete. So this is what, and which is consisting of, it is surrounded by means of plasma membrane like structure is present. It is just like a plasma membrane like structure which is surrounding the sperm cell. So this is what we can see, that structure of the sperm cell. So sperm cell, it is motile in nature, means it can move, it can swim, and to reach the ovum where it is secreted by the female body after sexual intercourse. And it consisting of mainly head region, and also it consisting of neck region, and another important region is tail part. These are the three important parts of the sperm cell which are present. And if you take the head region, it consisting of nucleus. Head region consisting of nucleus. Nucleus is present in head region, and the tip of the head is consisting of one important enzyme containing part is called as acrosome. This acrosome helps in degradation of what it is degrading? The membrane of the ovum, and which helps in deposition of the nucleus into the ovum and to cause the fertilization. That is what. And next is neck region. The neck region is consisting of mitochondria. So what is the present? Mitochondria is present in the neck region. What is this of the mitochondria? It produces energy. What is the use of that energy produced? For the motility of the sperm cell to reach the ovum. And tail helps in the swimming and for the locomotory organ it is, and that helps in the swimming and causes to reach the sperm cells near to the ovum. There it causes the releasing of a nucleus into the ovum and causes the fertilization and allows the development of the embryo. And finally, that entire process is going to occur in female body. So this is what, if you take that, the male cells are the motile in nature, which can swim and reaches to the ovum to cause the deposition of the nucleus into the female ovum. This is what the small concept about structure of the sperm cell.